How to verify your Clearpay identity. If you want to verify your identity on Clearpay, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Clearpay application. And once you launch the Clearpay app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. And once you've come here, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see from the very top left of the screen right there. And once you are over there, you can see all these options where you can go to profile details. Now under profile details, you have to enter all of this according to your legal information. So you can enter the name, and you can see it says verify your account to use Clearpay. You can enter your address, and you also have to submit a document for verification. Once you submit your document, only then your Clearpay account will be successfully verified. This way you'll be able to verify your account on Clearpay, or your identity more specifically speaking. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.